Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create and set up an aircraft simulation project in Unity. So what we're going to do is create a new Unity project. We're going to download and unzip the file with the aircraft group design simulation package in it. Then we're going to install the package to Unity Package Manager and then just run through the scene to check everything is working. So we're going to start by creating a new Unity project. So this tutorial is starting from the perspective that you've already installed Unity on your computer and you have basic familiarity with how it works. So we're starting here with the Unity Hub application, and what we're going to do is create a new project. Just checking up here in the editor version, I'm using the kind of a fairly current 2022 version. Anything 2022 and above should be fine for this. Create a name for your project. Let's call it Aircraft Simulation V1 and let's find a place for it. Okay, so if you try and make your project too deep, it comes up in an error because you can only have 256 characters in the path length, so failed at that step, which is a bit shorter. So Unity is going to start up. The first time it does it takes quite some time to create the project first time around. After that it's much quicker. Okay, so we've got a new Unity project open. What we now have to do is install the files for this simulation package. And so what we're going to do is to download the zip package from Blackboard or wherever you're going to get it from. And I've just downloaded it and it's in my downloads folder. So the file you get off Blackboard for the simulation will be Aircraft Design Simulation, and there'll be some version number on it. This simulation is going to be updated as we go along, and we need to unzip it. So choose whatever unzip program you want, and what we want to do is extract it to the same directory as where we created the Unity project. So I've got the folder where I've created the project. This step isn't essential, but it just keeps all the files in the same place, so it just makes it convenient. You do OK, unzip all that. Okay, so now if we go to the Unity project and we go to Window, Package Manager, and then in the top left here we're going to click the little down arrow and we're going to do Add Package from Disk. Okay, so I found the folder where the Unity project has been saved. I'm going to go in there, and then there'll be another folder there which is the one you unzipped, and the thing we're looking for is package.json. so this is the thing that's going to enable all this to be installed. So if we select that, and it should install. Okay, so we've got a warning, we need to using new input system blah blah blah. Yes we do, so yes we do need to restart the editor. Okay, so that looks like that's been successful. We can close this window, and now if we go to Project and look in Packages, we've got Aircraft Design Simulation there. And if we go to Scenes, Live Environment, got our basic world that we can work in. Okay, so we've got our package installed, and we're just going to quickly check things work, and to do that just hit play. And as a quick check to make sure everything's working, you should see your plane. There's already some wind on, there's some wind arrows on this plane, and if you go into the game view and do it doesn't do anything else right now, that your simulation has been correctly installed.